Hello everyone, thank you so much for joining the Stock Martin channel. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Please, if everybody can give me that thumbs up, the like button, I'd greatly appreciate it. It'll help with the YouTube algorithm to spread this video. Also, if you're new to the channel, please hit subscribe, hit that notification bell, hit all so you can get all my videos. Drop me a comment down below that you subscribed. I'll give you a shout out at the end of my videos. Thank you again for coming to this video for this channel. And we are going to be talking about some big news in Lucid Motors stock. I think you're really going to find this information very educational. This is for entertainment purposes only. Please do your own due diligence before buying or selling any stocks. But let's dive down into this. Let's get into this article from Investor Place. It does say, stick with Lucid Motors as the automaker prepares to meet its delivery goals. So patience is key with Lucid Motors, and it has for the past few weeks. But as we are starting to see, we are getting closer to those delivery dates. September is closely approaching. I do believe that in the next few weeks, especially in September, late September, possibly we could start seeing deliveries of the Lucid Air Dream, in my opinion. This is going to be the biggest catalyst that we've seen in Lucid Motors right now. We are going to be going down and talking about Lucid Motor Company and when it can take off. I think this is going to be a very good stock. Looking at a closer look about the LCID stock, we had this stock go all the way up to $65 in its 52-week high. That is whenever it was CCIV, when it was the SPAC, CCIV Churchill Capital. This stock went all the way up to $65 because of all the hype, all the Reddit investors, and so much excitement going into this stock. We did have a sellback, and we are currently trading under that $23 mark. However, this gives us a very nice buying opportunity, in my opinion. But we'll definitely have to see how this stock goes. So I just did want to talk about this very quickly. Right now, according to this article, it is possible that there could be a Reddit short squeeze that could force Lucid shares to rally again. So we have seen this back in February of this year, where the stock went all the way up to $65. But it could potentially happen again. But not looking at this potential, which would be great for the stock, in my opinion, we have to look at the company itself. This is a very good company that has the best electric vehicle technology out there. It has a very long battery range of over 500 miles on one single charge. It also has a lot of features that rival all other electric companies out there, even Tesla. It has the fastest charging with its Wonderbox. It has the direct charge system. It also has bidirectional charging, where you can charge other electric vehicles. You can also redirect the electricity from the vehicle and charge your home if you do have a home that's capable of doing that. So this is a very good company, in my opinion. And we are on track. According to this article, we are on track to meeting the goals that Lucid has set of producing 577 Lucid Air Dream vehicles this year. They will be delivered soon, and in my opinion, this will be the biggest catalyst that we've seen in Lucid Motors, which will drive up the price of this stock very high. I do expect that once we see these deliveries happening, we will be hitting that $30 mark of price target, in my opinion. But most importantly, we're looking at future gains on this stock. So in the future, Peter Rawlinson, the CEO of Lucid Motors, has announced that they will be producing up to 20,000 vehicles next year, and they are on track of doing this. Once this happens, this will be good news for the company, and here's why. So reportedly, Lucid Motors will have a revenue of $2.2 billion if it sells all those 20,000 vehicles of the Lucid Air combination. They have 4 different products. The reason why I'm so excited about this is they already have 11,000 reservations and counting of these vehicles. So nearly half of these vehicles are already accounted for. People have been putting reservation deposits of up to $1,000 to get their vehicle. So I do think that these are going to be big potential sales for this vehicle. Also in the next year, in the next few years, Lucid Motors does report that it will be producing promising and having a revenue of about $23 billion in sale by the year 2026. It is currently increasing its production facilities, and it is also getting ready to make its SUV, the Lucid Gravity, which will be very good news for this company and most importantly the stockholder. So this stock could be the next Tesla. Right now there are a lot of buzz going around who can beat Tesla. I do not think that anybody will beat Tesla in the sheer production volume of that has Tesla growing and becoming the best electric vehicle company in the world, and I think it will continue to do that. However, Lucid Motors does have that opportunity and has that niche that it can be the best electric vehicle luxury automaker, and I think that it will do this, and I think it will do very good. We are currently seeing the EPA look at Lucid Motors and its claims on its battery life, its efficiency, its electric transmission and inverter technology, and so far everything is panning out. And I do have a good feeling about this company doing good and moving forward. Now, jumping into the stock, we did trade this stock at $22.83. By the close of the day, we were down 2.7%. We are still in that base, so trading at $22. So we are still on that bottom of the base. In the past week, we have seen a decrease in this stock about 4.3%. We did go as high as about $25, and we are trading right now with the lows of $22.50. But if we go back in the past month, as we can see, every time that we've gotten close to that $22 mark, we always have a lot of buyers out there that just pop this up. I do expect that this stock will be increasing today and this week. I do think that we will start going back up. I do not think that we will go under $21, but we'll definitely have to see. In my opinion, if you can get this stock under $21, it's a steal of a deal. You're getting a very good deal. The reason why I'm talking about this is let's look at the stock price forecast of Lucid Motors. This is according to Wallet Investor. It does use artificial intelligence and the data in the past 30 days to quantify and determine its forecast of how the stock will be doing. Since we have had a lot of red in the past month, the stock price forecasts have gone down, but I do think that it will go up, and it will go up very high once we start seeing deliveries. In the next 1 year, we do have a stock price forecast about $40. In the next 5 years, it's about $105. If you go back and see my previous videos, these are a lot higher just because the stock potential has been doing a lot better, but we have had a lot of cool down in the past month. But if you can look, 1 year forecast is $39. If you're buying the stock right now at $22.83, you're getting a big increase in your stock price. And I think that is great news for this stock. If we go back 6 months, this stock has hit a bottom of $17.25 back on May 13th. I really do not expect us to go that low on this stock, but we definitely will have to see because this stock is very highly volatile just because we are still waiting on those deliveries of those vehicles. Once you see these deliveries, I think this stock will do very good and it will have a nice push up. I hope you learned something new in this video, and I think that Lucid Motors, in my opinion, will be a great stock. We are on track in getting those delivery vehicles, the 577 Lucid Air Dreams, and in the future, Lucid Motors does have a very good chance of getting those 20,000 vehicles out next year of the Lucid Air series. And they do have a projected $2.2 billion in revenue next year, which is incredible for this company being so new and so fresh. I do expect that the next 5 years will be very good for this company and you will have a lot of growth, but we'll definitely have to see. There are still going to be bumps in the road as this is a new company, and so you will have a lot of volatility. So please be very careful when purchasing this stock. And please do your own due diligence. But thank you so much again for watching this video. Please give me that thumbs up, the like button if you learned something new. And to help this channel, Also, please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Hit that notification bell, hit all so you get all my videos. And if you can, share this with others. If you can share it with your friends, your coworkers, your family, that next door neighbor, I greatly appreciate it. Thank you so much for all your support. I can't wait to talk to you on the next one. Down below, if you would like to help out the channel, I put 2 links. One's for Webull. If you open an account, deposit $100, you get 2 free stocks valued up to $1,850. If you deposit $100 into Coinbase, you get $10 of cryptocurrency and trading. Thank you for supporting the channel.